benefits of microdermabrasion are promoting the collagen and elastin in your face. So it gives your skin that firmness and structure that we all want, keeps your skin looking younger. I've been using the Personal Microderm for about 5 years now, and I am loving it. It has made my skin so smooth. I feel like my fine lines and wrinkles are pretty much gone. The darker spots on my skin are pretty much gone. I have a lot fewer blemishes as well. I use my Personal Microderm once a week, and it takes me about 5 minutes, and it's super fast, super easy, super convenient. There's really not much difference between an in-office microdermabrasion and the Personal Microderm. You're really going to get the same benefits whether you go to somebody and pay lots more money versus doing it at home once a week. Being a master esthetician, it's kind of ironic. I really don't do a lot of treatments on myself in a spa setting. So really at home, using my Personal Microderm once a week is it. And my skincare, that's it.
Finally, an easy solution to your skincare woes. Meet the PMD Clean Pro RQ, a smart facial cleansing device with sonic glow technology featuring a rose quartz stone. Operating at 7,000 vibrations per minute, it loosens stubborn dirt and oil within your pores, giving you a deeper cleanse. Made of ultra-hygienic silicone, the PMD Clean Pro RQ is antibacterial, odor-resistant, and waterproof. No replacement parts, no batteries, and you can even leave it in the shower. Could it be any more low maintenance? After cleansing, flip the brush and turn on active warmth. Use heat therapy with your favorite serums and moisturizers to assist in deeper absorption. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and Sunday Riley even named it the best beauty gadget for skincare junkies. Order your PMD Clean Pro RQ today.